Hi everyone, and thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be making delicious sausage stuffing from scratch, so stay tuned for the recipe. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using for my stuffing. This is half of an onion diced, 2 scallions, 4 garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is 4 sausages that I've already cooked and cut up. This is 6 cups of croutons. You can always use traditional breadcrumbs, but this is already seasoned and it has some Parmesan cheese on it, so it's going to give my stuffing some extra flavor. That's why I like using it. This is 4 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to be using about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, about 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. I have my large saucepan on medium-low heat, and I'm going to add the butter, scallions, and onion and stir. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about 1 minute. So now I'm adding the garlic and stirring again. And this is the 4 cups of chicken broth, but you can use vegetable broth if you prefer. And now I'm going to add the herbs, the oregano, salt, rosemary, thyme, and cayenne pepper. I'm going to put the heat on medium, stir this around, put the lid on, and I'm going to let this simmer for 5 minutes. So now I'm adding the croutons and sausages, and I'm just going to mix everything together and just letting the bread just soak up most of the broth. Now, if you like a softer stuffing, you can eat it just like this, but I really like putting it in the oven and making it get crispy on top, so that's what I'm going to do next. Now I'm adding the stuffing into my 2.5 quart baking dish. I'm going to cover this with foil and put it in the oven on 350 degrees for 1 hour. So after an hour has passed, I'm going to take the foil off and I'm going to put it back in the oven for 30 minutes uncovered. And here it is. It's nice and crispy and browned on the top. This is the perfect homemade stuffing for your Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner.